OMBC along with Stone Mill India has come together to publish
India's first healthy baking book series.
Now they have joined hands with Stone Mill India,
India's very first healthy baking curated.
This book,
one of a kind
in India,
of all home bakers,
Very big treasure
first book
by the home bakers and for the home bakers.
will change the face of the baking.
Book is going to be a game changer.
For me personally, I think the reason I started OMBC is what healthy baking really means to me. My children were the driving force behind, healthy baking, and that's the reason why I started a repository of healthy baking recipes. The other meaning of healthy baking for me is using local and indigenous flours, sweeteners, ingredients, that we get readily in the countries we reside in.
And give to your loved ones.
blessing and a
Treasure of healthy baking recipes.
Amazing compilation, curated and unique.
A boon and a motivator.
Positive lifestyle changes.
Innovative, easy to bake.
Some of them specially designed.
different alternative. Or eating healthy doesn't mean you have to give up on treats.
Healthy is even more tastier.
Recipes contributed by very talented and passionate bakers from across the globe.
Whatever we eat should be full of health. The primary goal is just not to bake, but to bake healthy.
This is a dream come true for a home baker like me.
I really feel honored to be a part of this book series.
Not only as a baker, but also as an individual.
And I'm really very happy for that.
It is an absolute honor to be part of this healthy baking book series.
It's a moment of pride for all of us who have contributed towards this project.
Part of India's first healthy baking book series.
It's a book for home baker by the home baker.
It has recipes exclusively developed by home bakers and for home bakers.
I felt extremely happy that finally we are going to have healthy baking book series.
Really enjoying this phase of my retirement life by learning the recipes.
I started healthy baking after my son was born.
To follow my passion towards healthy baking.
In this initiative has given me more confidence.
Baking without refined flour, refined sugar.
Healthy flours, healthy sweeteners, and healthy fat.
Cook healthy meal for your family.
Try to combine both healthy food and taste.
From the best contemporary bakers around the world.
It's a treasure trove of recipes. Two things I'm passionate about: healthy bakes and giving back to the society.
Help a lot of others to take their first step towards healthy baking.
So that all can have baked goodies without their worrying about their health.
There is nothing like having your favorite food baked using the healthy ingredients.
I have been a part of this amazing OMBC community for a while now, and I have been simply amazed at the sheer amount of talent this community possesses. This book series is our way of tipping our hat to this talent and playing our role in promoting a culture of healthy living.
They have a wide range of
Recipes in this book
collection of specially curated by healthy bakers from all over the world.
Recipes had to be new and fresh. You cannot find on the internet or in any other book.
Because for me, a recipe is a window into someone's life. A story is always woven around it. It's something an ancestor passed on or something just created out of necessity.
The book contains sweet, savory, gluten-free,
Vegan and one-pot wonders.
Awesome OMBC home bakers.
So this book is for anyone and everyone.
And it's not just any book, it's a book that's supporting two wonderful NGOs.
The funds will go to two different NGOs.
On booking these series, you will be able to help two NGOs, non-profit NGOs.
Part of the proceeds is going to charity.
will be donated to two organizations who work for women and children in need.
This is a wonderful initiative by the Stone Mill.
These NGOs work towards providing a better environment.
For us as an organization, the Healthy Book Baking series will help us reach out to more children in need, will help us provide resources to young minds, and we are really looking forward to it.
Healthy baking series. I'm sure this book will help a lot of amateur bakers to understand baking better and bring healthy baking practices into their families.
So are you ready to explore the healthy world?
Booking will begin in a few weeks.
Booking will begin soon.
if you haven't already registered.
And if you are one of them who is looking for healthy bakes,
So if you're someone who's running away from the word refined,
Book your series and please don't miss out.
I'm going to do my part by booking one for me.
Order this book.
I hope all of you book a copy.
I assure you, possessing one is going to be a treasure for life.
We'll be very happy if you can buy these books.
watch out this space.
For more information along with me.
So stay tuned.
Don't miss your chance to get your hands on one as soon as possible.